Hey, Captain Doug here in Phuket, Thailand. Hey, I'm in the editing room here, finishing up this video on Tonga, my sailing trip through the South Pacific on Tonga now. Looks like I'm going to need to break it into two parts. We came in from American Samoa on the northern end, so it's the vava'u group. Tonga's broken into three major groups. On the north is vava'u. The central group is called the humpback, and the southern group is called, I'll have to look. Anyway, so I've got, make sure you watch this one to the end. I've got a clip of some cruising friends of mine swimming with the humpback whales, a baby and a mother. We got there just at the end of the season. They started to migrate out, and we were not able to go. We also had bad weather that messed up that schedule. But friends shared this video, and I'm going to add that to the end of it. It's really a great little video. It's just a little short, minute and a half. Anyway, give that a look. Subscribe if you like. Comment, and put a like if you like. Like I say, I'll put a second video together for the second half of Tonga. Tonga's jumping off spot before we went to New Zealand. We were there several weeks, and part of that was pinned down with some bad weather. So anyway, take care, and we'll see you later.
Nah,